girls. Today we're going to be working on breaking apart numbers, T numbers, to see how many tens we have and how many more ones we have. So we're going to do a practice one, and we're going to start with the number 19. So can you guys get ready to help me count out 19 counters into our 10 frame? All right, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now our 10 frame is full, and we're going to keep counting on until we get to 19. I'm going to switch, now that our 10 frame is full, I'm going to just switch to yellows to see how many ones we have left. So we have 10. Let's count on to 19. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. All right, so we have 19 counters in our 10 frame. So we're going to count how many extras we have once our 10 frame is full. So we're going to know that we have our 10 up here. So let's count our yellows together to see how many extras we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 19 is 10 and 9 more. Let's take a look at our page for today. All right, so for our page today, we are going to continue to work with our T numbers and breaking them apart into 10 and some more. So we're going to start with the number 13, and we're going to use our counter. So you can use your crayons to do this, or you could use Cheerios or beads or any other little things you might have in your house that you have at least 20 of. So I'm going to use our fun little ocean erasers. So we're going to build 13. So let's count it out into our 10 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we have 10. Our 10 frame is full. We're going to keep counting until we get to 13, and we're going to fill in our next 10 frame. So I'm going to keep my fish as our 10. I'm going to use starfish as our more. So 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have counted to our number 13. So now we're going to take our pen and we're going to trace our number 13. Number 1 is like a stick. A straight line down is very quick. Around a tree, around a tree. That's the way to make a 3. So we have 13 in our number bond, and now we need to fill in our parts. So 13 is, and we have 10. One of our 10 frames is filled in, so we're going to say 10, and then we have 1, 2, 3 more. 10 and 3 more. And so this is how we show that number 13 in a number bond. We're going to show the number 13 down here in an equation. So we're going to trace our number 13, and we're going to just fill in our parts again. So just like we did in our number bond, our parts are going to be the same. 10 for our fishies, and 3 more starfish. So let's try it now with our 18. All right, help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and let's keep counting on. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. All right, so we built 18 in our 10 frames. So we're going to trace our number 18. Now we're going to look at our parts. So we know we have 18 erasers up here. So in our first 10 frame is full. So we know we have at least 10 because our first 10 frame is full. So we're going to write 10, and let's count our extras. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 18 is 10 and 8 more. So we're going to come down here. We're going to trace our 18 again. We're going to fill in our number sentence. So 18 equals, and we're going to fill in our parts. So we know we have 10 in one 10 frame and 8 in our other 10 frame. 18 is 10 and 8 more. Let's take a look at the back side. So for our back side, we are going to be building our number 16, our number 12, and our number 19. So we'll be using 2 number bonds and then a number equation. So I see that this 10 frame is full, so I know that I have 10, but I need to count on to 16 so I can fill my 10 frames full of 16 counters. So I'm going to say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So once I've filled in my 10 frames to make 16, I'm going to count my parts. So my first 10 frame has 10 counters. So I'm going to write my number 10. My second 10 frame has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 counters. So I'm going to write my number 6. 16 is 10 and 6 more. So you'll do the same thing for number 12. You'll build your 12 counters, then you will fill in your parts. And you're going to do almost the same thing for number 19. You'll fill in your counters until you have 19 counters in your 10 frames. Instead, you'll put your parts right here, just like we did on the front. Good luck, guys. Have fun.